This could be a come to Jesus moment for the right wing, but it's not. They are always talking about trans people. They're always talking about LGBTQ people being the problem. Always trying to take away access to healthcare for queer people. But then all of a sudden, idiots like Nancy Mace is now on here talking about how much these girls in the Epstein files need justice. We all been saying that. And everybody wants them to have justice no matter whether you're left or right. That is the real core problem. Because while we're sitting here putting everybody against each other, demonizing a small population like the trans people, we got rich pedophiles that control our economic system, harming women and children. And who's to say that there's not another Epstein out there? Or hundreds of Epsteins out there in the 1% in the entire world? Who's to say that this is literally something that will be going on forever until we destroy capitalism? Oh, wait, destroy capitalism. The system allowed this, so should the system be eradicated?